In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for eBay product trends fast and easy. This tool is invaluable for sellers looking to gain insights into what products are capturing people's attention. So let's dive in and make the most of it. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends and you'll see it pop up as the first option in the search results. Click on that link to be directed straight to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is where the magic begins. Think of general product categories that you're interested in exploring, like wireless earbuds, camping gear, or home decor. Type your chosen keywords into the search bar. After entering your keywords, click on the Explore button. This will take you to a new page with a treasure trove of data. Now, it's important to tailor this data to fit your needs. One of the best ways to do that is by adjusting the filters. On the left side of the page, you'll see several options where you can customize your search further. Start by setting your location. Choose your target country or region to gain insights more relevant to your market. Next, adjust the time range filter. This allows you to see how interest in your chosen keywords has changed over time. If you're planning a short-term campaign, looking at data from the past 7 days can be insightful. For a broader view of current trends, the past 12 months will give you a good overview. And for spotting longer-term seasonal cycles, opt for the past 5 years. Another critical filter is the category option. Select the industry category closest to your product to get more accurate data. This data can help you understand peculiarities in your niche that might be missed with general data. Once your filters are set, take a moment for the page to refresh and present the newly filtered data. Now focus on analyzing the interest over time graph. An upward trend here indicates growing interest and could suggest a potential opportunity for your eBay listings. Conversely, a downward trend might signal a declining demand, which can inform whether you should explore other product ideas. Google Trends also allows you to compare multiple products at once. By clicking the plus compare button, you can add up to 4 more keywords to see how they stack up against one another in terms of popularity. Also, make sure you take a look at the related topics and queries that Google Trends suggests. These are often rising search terms that are gaining traction. They can provide fresh new ideas for eBay listings or help you refine your current product titles to attract more buyers. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up with valuable insights that can transform your eBay selling strategy. I hope this guide has empowered you on your journey to mastering product trends using Google Trends. Happy selling!